Hello everyone, very warm welcome to Venkat Varma Chemistry. I hope all are doing well. In this session, we are going to discuss another episode of Basic Principles and Techniques in Organic Compounds. The previous session, we are learned about sublimation and crystallization. In this session, we are going to learn distillation process. Before going to learn about distillation process, we know some simple terms. They are vapor pressure and boiling point. What is vapor pressure and what is boiling point? Let's see. Vapor pressure means it is a pressure exerted by the vapors over the liquid surface at equilibrium is known as vapor pressure. It is a pressure exerted by the vapors over the liquid surface at equilibrium is known as vapor pressure. The pressure exerted by vapors over the liquid surface at equilibrium is known as vapor pressure. The next term is boiling point. It is temperature at which the vapors of liquid equal to the external pressure. Let's move on. Distillation. Distillation is the process heating a liquid to form its vapors and condensing the vapors to the liquid. Distillation is the process heating a liquid to form its vapors and heating then the vapors to the liquids. The process heating a liquid to form its vapors and condensing the vapors to the liquids. It is used to separate two or more substances present in the liquid mixture. For example, I am taking a liquid mixture. This is a liquid mixture. It contains two liquids. By using heating process, heating, we can separate liquids. We can separate liquids by using different boiling point. By using different boiling points, we can separate liquid mixture. It is used to separate a volatile liquid from non-volatile impurities. It is used to separate a volatile liquid from non-volatile impurities. Liquids in which difference in boiling point is sufficient. Liquids in which difference in boiling point is liquid. So I am taking one example for this. Look at the example. If I am taking liquid mixture, in this liquid mixture containing water and ethanol. This liquid mixture contains water and ethanol. See, the water boiling point is 100 degree Celsius. The ethanol boiling point approximately 78 degrees Celsius. These are having different boiling point. You imagine heating the solution, what happened? So I am heating the solution, heating the solution, heating the solution. The solution is boiling. The ethanol is lower boiling point. Ethanol is lower boiling point. The lower boiling point become a vapors, then collect the compounds. It can convert the vapors. We can separate the ethanol. We can separate the ethanol. Yes. The compound has higher boiling point. The compound has higher boiling point. The compound which has higher boiling point will remain in the liquid. Will remain in the liquid in distillation flask. We can separate water and ethanol by using distillation process based on their different boiling points. Based on their different boiling point. Yes. Now look at for definition. What is the definition of distillation? See, the process which is used to purify liquids based on their boiling point is known as distillation process. The distillation process can be categorized among the following types. Now look at for types of distillations. Have a look for types of distillations. The first one, simple distillation, fractional distillation, distillation under pressure, or distillation under reduced pressure, or vacuum distillation, steam distillation. These are types of distillation process. Simple distillation, fractional distillation, distillation under reduced pressure or vacuum distillation, steam distillation. Yes, I hope this video help you. I hope like this video.